Start now to feel powerful and energized. Transform your daily routine today. Many of us struggle with weight and energy. A balanced diet is key. Today, we will explore delicious diet meals that promote fat loss. First, let's understand why diet meals matter. They offer essential nutrients while reducing calories. This helps burn fat and boosts energy levels. Next, choose whole foods over processed ones. Whole foods provide more fiber and nutrients. This keeps you full longer and energized throughout the day. Incorporate lean proteins like chicken, fish, and legumes. They help build muscle and burn fat. Aim for half your plate to be filled with these proteins. Don't forget about healthy fats. Avocados, nuts, and olive oil provide important nutrients. They also help with satiety and keeping your energy stable. Next, add plenty of colorful vegetables. They are low in calories and high in vitamins. Think leafy greens, bell peppers, and broccoli. Consider portion control. It's not just about what you eat, but how much. Use smaller plates to help manage your portions better. Now, for meal examples. Start your day with oatmeal and berries. For lunch, try a quinoa salad with vegetables and grilled chicken. For dinner, enjoy baked salmon with steamed broccoli. Snacks. Consider Greek yogurt, apple slices with almond